Are you ready to elevate your perspective? Welcome to our channel, where we take you on an adventure above the ordinary. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of DJI Drones, where innovation meets imagination. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, DJI has something for everyone. From jaw-dropping 4K video to sophisticated flight features, these drones are designed to capture moments you never knew existed. Let's take to the skies together. Adventure awaits. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a remarkable addition to the drone market, offering an impressive combination of portability, ease of use, and advanced features that cater to both novice pilots and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this compact drone is lightweight enough to bypass many drone regulations while still delivering high-quality performance. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, the Mini 2 SE captures stunning images and shoots 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring your aerial footage is both vibrant and smooth. The drone's 3-axis gimbal stabilization helps to minimize shakes and jitters, providing professional-looking results even in windy conditions. This is particularly beneficial for capturing scenic landscapes or dynamic outdoor activities. The Mini 2 SE boasts an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the need for frequent battery changes. Its improved transmission technology offers a maximum range of 10 kilometers, enabling users to explore and capture footage from farther distances. Additionally, the drone features several intelligent flight modes such as quick shots and drone, making it easier than ever to create cinematic shots with just a few taps on your smartphone. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, the DJI Mini 2 SE ensures that even beginners can quickly learn to fly and capture stunning aerial shots. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable drone that combines cutting-edge technology with an incredibly compact design, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced pilots alike. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this lightweight drone is not only easy to carry, but also falls under a category that often requires fewer regulatory restrictions, allowing for greater freedom in where and how you can fly. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its impressive camera capabilities. It boasts a 1.3-inch sensor that captures stunning 48-megapixel stills and records 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means you can expect vibrant colors and remarkable detail in your aerial photography and videography, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or action shots during outdoor activities. The drone also supports HDR video, allowing for dynamic range and clarity in varying lighting conditions. Beyond its impressive imaging capabilities, the DJI Mini 3 is equipped with advanced features that enhance the flying experience. With intelligent flight modes such as quick shots and focus track, users can easily capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. The drone's obstacle avoidance system provides an added layer of safety, helping to prevent collisions and ensuring a smooth flight experience. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 represents a significant leap forward in drone technology, combining advanced features with user-friendly design to cater to both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned aerial photographers. This drone boasts an impressive dual camera system, allowing users to seamlessly switch between a high-resolution wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, enhancing versatility for capturing stunning landscapes or detailed close-ups. With a robust flight time of up to 46 minutes, the Air 3 ensures that users can maximize their shooting opportunities without the constant worry of battery life. Its improved obstacle sensing technology incorporates multiple sensors on all sides, providing a safer flying experience by helping to avoid collisions, even in complex environments. The Air 3 also supports 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and crisp footage that can be easily edited for professional-looking results. Additionally, enhanced transmission technology means that users can enjoy a more stable and reliable connection, even at longer ranges. Designed for portability, the DJI Air 3 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport on any adventure. Its intuitive controls and smart shooting modes, such as focus track and quick shots, empower users to create stunning content with minimal effort. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial views or documenting your outdoor activities, the DJI Air 3 is poised to elevate your creative projects to new heights. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the realm of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional ease of use. This model is equipped with a dual camera system, featuring a stunning 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera and a telephoto lens, allowing for breathtaking aerial photography and videography. With a remarkable ability to capture 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 20 megapixel stills, the Mavic 3 Pro ensures that every moment can be immortalized in stunning detail. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its impressive flight time, boasting up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life is a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike, allowing for longer shooting sessions without the constant need to land and recharge. Additionally, the drone incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, making it one of the safest drones to fly, even for beginners. The Mavic 3 Pro also brings a host of intelligent shooting modes, including Focus Track, which allows users to easily follow subjects while keeping them in frame, and Master Shots, which automates complex aerial maneuvers for stunning cinematic effects. Its robust transmission technology offers a range of up to 15 kilometers, ensuring a reliable connection even when flying at a distance. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an impressive addition to the ever-evolving drone market, bringing advanced technology and user-friendly features to both amateur and professional aerial enthusiasts. This compact drone weighs less than 250 grams, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry. Yet it does not compromise on performance. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its powerful camera, which boasts an upgraded sensor capable of capturing stunning 48 megapixel still images and 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means that whether you are shooting picturesque landscapes or fast-paced action scenes, you can expect crystal-clear quality and vibrant colors. The drone's ability to shoot in HDR enhances dynamic range, ensuring that both highlights and shadows are well represented in your footage. The Mini 4 Pro also comes equipped with improved obstacle avoidance technology thanks to its multi-directional sensors that provide 360-degree awareness. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone can detect and avoid obstacles in its flight path, making it ideal for both novice pilots and seasoned professionals who need reliability in complex environments. Battery life has seen a significant upgrade as well, with the Mini 4 Pro offering longer flight times compared to its predecessors.